Oh my goodness, you've been doing weight loss for so long, it's time that you start doing it the correct way. This is James, and today's video is on weight loss food ideas and the 5 key secrets. It's all good to decide to lose weight, and there's nothing wrong with trying multiple times to lose that weight. But everything's wrong if you try multiple times and you're still not where you want to be. The 5 key secrets to weight loss and food ideas I'm going to go over with you in today's video, and it's going to point you in the right direction when it comes to losing weight in a healthy way without giving up on eating good tasting food. Weight loss, after everything is said and done, comes down to 3 fundamentals. Get those fundamentals wrong and that weight is not staying off. Those fundamentals are calories, nutrients, and physical activity. And before we get too far and I forget, remember to click the subscribe button down below so that you may receive more videos from me about healthy eating. So that the video isn't too long, we're not going to focus on all 3 fundamentals, which are the calories, nutrients, and physical activity. We're going to focus on the first 2, which are calories and nutrients. Look at all the different foods we're going to include in today's meals to lose weight. What I've learned and what I'm passing on to you is this. Do not hesitate to include as many different types of healthy foods as possible when it comes to your weight loss. Matter of fact, when you select the right foods, the calories take care of themselves. And as a result of eating all these different types of food, you're increasing the number of nutrients your body is going to be empowered. So let's look at the vegetables I'm highlighting in today's weight loss foods. The current dietary food guidelines for Americans recommends that you should be eating between 1.5 to 2 cups of vegetables per day. There was a reason why kale, mushrooms, sweet potatoes, and celery were selected. Together, they're low in calories, have a high nutrient density in terms of vitamins and minerals, provide a lot of energy through carbohydrates, and equally important are rich in dietary fiber, which is very important when it comes to weight loss foods because dietary fiber helps the body feel full faster. In addition to low calories, which help lose weight, a government report explains why vegetables are important. Good sources of dietary fiber are whole grains, nuts and seeds, fruits and vegetables. Dietary fiber adds bulk to your diet and makes you feel full faster, helping you control your weight. Eating all this wonderful food is great, but just like you, I have to keep it real when it comes to calories, weight control, and losing weight. So when it comes to losing weight, if you're age 40 and above, if you're a woman, make sure you don't eat more than 1,300 calories during the day. And if you're a male who is age 40 and above, make sure you keep it to less than 2,100 calories. Adding fruits to our meals and to our eating pattern is important for a lot of good reasons. The first being is that it adds good taste because eating should be an enjoyable experience, not a burden or a chore. That's one of the reasons why pears, blueberries, bananas, and raisins were selected. Number 2, even though fruits bring more calories to the meal than vegetables, the added calories are normally less than what's in most processed foods. And 3, the nutrients that are in these 4 fruits. Energy-rich carbohydrates plus dietary fiber and lots of potassium, which helps our body control blood pressure. Through weight loss foods, there are multiple ways to add healthy fats and proteins. I've experienced for myself, read multiple reports, and that's why I'm convinced that adding flax seeds, olive oil, and sesame seeds are efficient ways of doing that. They bring a lot of calories, but they're very healthy calories, nutrients that your body needs. And because the calories that are in fruits and vegetables are so low, the blended calories of all the foods that are in this video still allow you to lose weight. It's real clear the pattern we're now following. We're eating a variety of healthy foods that help us keep those calories low, but at the same time increasing the number of nutrients our body's receiving. So how do I eat all of these foods in one day, keep my calorie count down, as well as have my body receive all of these nutrients? It's real simple. What I do is I create what I call the lotus smoothie, and I prepare one dish during the day. There's a lot I'm trying to accomplish every day when it comes to healthy eating that I'm encouraging you when it comes to weight loss food ideas. In the Lotus smoothie, I try to include as many vegetables and fruits, proteins, whole grains, dairy products, oils, seeds, and nuts that I can. When it comes to the prepared dish, the goal is to increase the amount of protein by featuring either fish, chicken, or red meat. And today, it's going to be great. It's going to be fish, which will be focusing on salmon and shrimp. Let's go ahead and walk through the Lotus smoothie, sort through its different weight loss food ideas so that you have as many options as possible to meet your weight loss goals. The best way to get started is for us to remember that the dietary food guidelines for Americans recommends that we eat on a daily basis at least 1 to 1.5 cups of vegetables and 2 to 2.5 cups of fruit. For today's loaded smoothie, the vegetables I selected were kale, mushrooms, sweet potatoes, and celery. That may seem a strange combination of vegetables to eat, but it turns out it wasn't. Here's what I did. I did a half a cup of vegetables for each of the 4 vegetables, which turns out to be 2 full cups of vegetables. And the calories for those 2 cups of vegetables turn out to be only 89 calories. Look at all of those nutrients. Each food item contributes at least 2 or 3 important nutrients that your body needs. But that's not all. Equally important are what a government source calls essential nutrients, which are vitamins and minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and I always throw in water. As I've been saying all along, it's important to control the number of calories that you're taking in, but equally important is increasing the number of nutrients that you're taking in as well. Take a quick listen to this government article. Vitamins and minerals are essential substances that our bodies need to develop and function normally. Your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose or blood sugar. Glucose or blood sugar is the main source of energy for your body. It is essential to eat some fats. All fats are made up of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. You need protein in your body to help repair cells and make new ones. So let's go ahead and add the fruits to the loaded smoothie. The pears, the blueberries, the bananas, and the raisins. That's 628 calories, and you have to keep in mind that 247 of those calories come from the raisins alone. So you have to make a decision whether you want to include the raisins in or not. I personally add the raisins because I enjoy the sweet taste that the raisins bring to the loaded smoothie. As you can see, I like to add a lot of different fruits in the loaded smoothie, which is consistent with the dietary food guidelines recommendation that we eat between 2 to 3 cups of fruits per day. And that's what this smoothie has, 3 cups of fruit. Bringing up the rear of foods added to the loaded smoothie are flax seeds and sesame seeds. They're important for a number of reasons, one of them being that combined they represent 107 calories, 1 tablespoon each. Another reason is that some people don't eat any type of meat, whether it's chicken, beef, or seafood. A third reason is that flax seeds and sesame seeds have protein and fats, nutrients we typically find in meats. So let's go ahead and blend the loaded smoothie, and while it's mixing, we'll begin cooking the seafood vegetable pasta dish. It consists of shrimp, salmon, bell peppers, onion, garlic, and pasta. I generally treat it as an additional meal to the loaded smoothie. I saute to intensify flavor. I wish you could smell the aromas like I can. The calorie count for the entire pan of foods is only 910 calories. And there's enough food here for 4 people or 4 separate meals. So that makes the calorie count for 1 plate, 1 person, only 227 calories. Then there are the powerful nutrients that this dish has. All 6 of the essential nutrients are generously accounted for. Vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and water. Not only does this dish look great, it's low in calories and nutrient dense. Keep in mind, you have a number of options as to which weight loss food approach will work best for you. The first being the loaded smoothie, and then later in the day, enjoying the seafood vegetable pasta dish. Then there's option 2 or 3, which would be either the loaded smoothie or the seafood vegetable pasta dish. Which will be best for you is based on your weight loss objectives. So let's taste this food because I can't wait. Here we go. Wow, I can taste all the fruits and the vegetables. This is going to taste so good. All right. Make sure you click the subscribe and notification buttons below so that you may receive more videos from me about healthy eating. And click the like button below. It will help me and my channel out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. See you next time.